Hey guys, it's Blake's Fishing here. This video is going to be very special because I've been chasing this fish for a long time. I finally caught one. Well, I've caught small ones, but I've actually caught a proper one of these, and I caught it with a new rod too. So I christened my new rod with the fish I was chasing, with the Miller Rods Vibe Freak, with a Shimano Nasic 3000 reel, running 8-pound braid, 8-pound leader, with 3-inch plastics, 3/8 ounce with 4/0 hooks. So it's going to be a cracking video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'm so stoked with this fish. See you in the next one. Peace out. Guys, I've just hooked something on top water at the start of the video. I didn't even get to do an intro or anything. I'm just fishing around the edge. I've hooked something. I think it's a little trev. Get away from those rocks, mate. It's a trev. Yeah, it's a trev. Huh? It's a trevally.
Oh yeah, they're on there.
Yeah. I just cast it near that thing.
In the middle, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, we should try around here, hey?
Yeah, try around here first.
Yeah.
Come on, mate. Here we go. You! First fish. Little GT. There we go. Didn't even get to do an intro or anything. I just decided to have a cast and he smashed it. There you go, guys. First fish, little trevally off the top, which is awesome. Nice little fish. We'll get him back. Hopefully there's more around. You! Alright, mate. Alright, you can go on back. Alright. First fish. That's insane, bro. I reckon. Yeah, I'm gonna keep peppering that for a bit. Alright, good day guys. We are out on the water. It is very calm this morning. Hopefully it stays like this way for a bit. We're just gonna be chasing some GTs, some trevallies, and we'll see how we go. I've caught one. I'm surprised it was off the bank. Should we just go up and around near the rock part?
Yeah, Dad.
Like around there again?
Yeah.
I might use my new rod for a bit.
Yeah, look for your look for holes here.
Alright guys, I got my new rod, Miller Rods Vibe Freak. It's a bit heavier, so we're gonna see how we go, see if we can land some good fish on it. I want to christen it, so hopefully we can land something. Imagine if I hook like a giant fish.
Hey?
If I hook something huge, I'm screwed, I think. It's not that deep here. Really shallow. No, I don't see the bottom, but it's about a meter, maybe a meter and a half. Swapping rods for now. Back to this, the Miller's rod, Vibe Freak, with a 3-inch plastic, 4/0 3-ounce.
Look at it over here.
I had a good old little crack at it. Right.
There's so many of them, eh?
Yeah, there's heaps. Going back to top water.
Look. Probably one of my favourite leader now.
This one.
Yeah. You just have to spend hours and hours in one area. Like that fly fishing.
Yeah.
Hours and hours and that. You know what I mean?
That is true.
Yeah.
Oh, it broke. Yeah. How the hell did that break?
You were on the
Oh, hopefully that didn't break.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, that's a jack.
Either a jack or a big trev.
No,
Oh,
that's a jack. I saw the redness.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh Jesus, that was exciting.
Holy
I'm gonna
crap.
put this out. That must be your last week jack. Hopefully you get something out of it.
Hopefully I can get him though. Nah, he come off.
Oh no, really?
Yeah. He snipped me.
Oh. Oh.
Damn it.
How did he snip you?
Rocks down there, I think. He must have had his head in the rocks. I could move him, but he's had his head in the rocks.
Oh, fuck, you need at least 8 pound here, buddy.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, that's fucking...
I need new hooks. We've got one splash prawn left. Alright guys, hopefully that was a bit enjoying to watch, even though I lost a splash prawn. He smoked me though. Yeah, I had no hope. Like I said, I think I need heavier line for the rocks. Because I'm just going to get smoked.
I thought you were going to use your new rod. That would have been good.
Nah, it needs to be heavier than that.
Is that?
Around rocks. I need at least...
On this rod here.
I'll need at least like 25 pound leader. Alright, stop. I cast in the middle with some dewies. There's gotta be a jewfish in here. Yep. Oh, it's big.
Oh yeah.
What have I got? Oh god, this is big, bro.
Trev.
No, it's not a, I don't think it's a Trev. Unless it hasn't woken up yet. Might be a big flathead. Oh, please be a big flathead or a big jewfish. This might be it, T. I hope.
Might be good. Might be good. That much, yeah, right?
Hopefully. It's a good fish, it's got weight. Oh bro, please, I wanna catch this. Get near the bank. Bro, it's big. It's not moving. It could be a big catty, hopefully not.
It could be a snag.
Bro, oh my god, please, I wanna land this. Whatever it is. It's coming up now. What is it?
It's a big snag.
I don't know. I'm doing a lot of weird shit. If it is, I'm gonna be so upset.
Baptize your rod for a caddy. I'll sell that rod.
It might be a.
I'll sell that rod if it's a caddy.
Oh, it's a jewfish, a big one.
Oh, yeah.
It's a big jewy. Yes. Oh, how are we gonna land this, bro? Do you have your rag? Look at it. Oh, that's a big jewfish, man. Look at it.
Oh!
How are we gonna land this, bro?
We're gonna go to the. We're gonna go.
Where?
To the side.
Get over to that bank. Please stay on, bro.
I'm so excited.
I've been chasing this fish for so long.
I'm so excited.
I've been chasing this fish for so long, bro.
Sit down, bro. Sit down so I can move.
Oh.
I'm so excited. You don't know how excited I am.
Mate, if we land this, I'm gonna be so happy.
Yes.
Bro, he's tired.
Bro,
That's a good fish, bro. Yes, come on, please. I want to land this. I'll do anything to land this. I'll do anything to land this fish. Is it shallow?
I don't know, but you want to see the rocks there?
Yeah. Hopefully it's shallow.
I don't know, but you're going to get onto those rocks. No, it's quite deep.
Is
but
it?
This is a good dip. Oh, that's huge, dude.
It's a good fish.
That is huge. Just wait. Yeah, maybe give me the rod. Alright? And then I'll try to pull it to you.
Just be careful because it's only...
Have it in the mouth.
I can't.
Oh,
It's got teeth.
It's got teeth. The tail. Easy, easy, don't pull it.
Shit. Yes! Oh, yes!
Or something bit him.
No, it's a parasite or something. Look at that! Oh, yes, a jewfish! Holy shit. I'm gonna get on the bank so I can get proper shots of this. Yeah, get me somewhere good. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey?
Holy shit!
How good is that?
Oh my god. That's my best one. Yes! Yes!
Unhook him.
Yeah, I will. I'm just going to get a shot of him with the lure in its mouth. There we go, guys. My first ever proper jewie. Beautiful jewfish. I mistaken it for either a big flatty or a, what's it called?
Catfish.
Yeah, catty. Big flatty or a catty, but that is amazing. I'm going to get some photos and we're going to get him back. That is a cracking fish. I'm stoked with that. Yes! Alright, let's get photos and we'll release him.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, mate. You did a good fight for me. They're strong.
Nice. Look at him go. How beautiful. Oh, I keep filming. Oh, that's nice.
Freaking hell.
That's a cow.
Guys, that was great. That's insane. He's still swimming off. I think he's good though.
I hope so.
But yeah, he's good. He's swimming. Yep.
Yeah,
there he goes.
Yeah. Nice, bro.
Yes. Here's your rag. Yes.
I thought we've created some good fish.